Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications. Your new ride is just a phone call away.